Why should you learn Python in 2021? There's already a wide range of programming languages available in the industry, but Python is known as the #1 programming language nowadays as well as for the future too, and also proved as one of the best career opportunity for beginners in technical industry. So you must be asking yourself that why is it so beneficial? So first of all, let me tell you, it has the presence of third-party modules, extensive support libraries, open source and community development, learning ease and support, user-friendly data structures, productivity and speed. So let's have a look at some reasons for its increasing popularity and why companies are looking for candidates who know this programming language. Number 1. Python is simple and syntax friendly. Readability and the use of substantial whitespace are addressed by Python. There is no doubt that people had started admiring Python for its use, particularly for non-technical people. It is extremely easy to learn. Number 2. Extremely rich libraries. The reason for Python's popularity growth and the adaptation of so many companies is its open source language that allows you to leverage extremely rich libraries. Number 3. It has a large number of community. As Python is an open source language, it means it's free to use and any individual can contribute to writing and maintenance of its code to the library. And except that, you can get many active groups and forums to help you with your questions and regarding Python's career opportunity. With Python, you can choose any career according to your interest. Some of them are Python developer, automation tester, data analyst, data scientist. All of the options offer a good pay scale to adapt as a profession. Python is almost in every part of work these days, which keeps it on top of any other programming languages. In today's time, every company, including Google, Facebook, IBM and many more are using Python to get their job done accurately. And this skill has a large number of job openings for freshers. Now you must have an urge to know how much time it takes to learn Python. Honestly, it doesn't take much time to learn this skill. If you are learning it consistently, it hardly takes 4 months to get specialized for this skill. Python is a must-know skill for every student or professional who is looking to build a good career in IT industry. To know more about it, comment down in your queries where we would be happy to help you. Click the link in description to enroll for our Python program.